Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome my dear student. In this video we're gonna talk about how to use long division with polynomials. Yes, I know we took this in grade 5, but in grade 5 we took this between two decimal number, but here we took this between polynomials. Or it has another title like as dividing an algebraic expression by another one. So let's begin. But first let me disappear from the screen and concentrate with me. Okay. First, let us write the problem. Here x minus 1 is the divisor, so write it outside, and then x squared minus 2x plus 1. This is the dividend and this is the divisor, okay? And here we write the result or quotient. What can I do here? Here I have 3 steps to solve these problems. I have 3 steps. Number 1 is divide. So we're gonna to divide. Number 2, we're gonna to multiply. Number 3, we're gonna to subtract. So I have 3 steps to solve these problems. First, divide. Number 2, multiply. Number 3, subtract. Okay, let's begin. Divide what? Divide the first term here divided by the first term here, like as x squared divided by x. That is gonna be x, and write it up here in the quotient, and write it here up the quotient. Okay. Second, I have to multiply x in this term and in this. So multiply x times x and multiply x times 1. X times x, that is gonna be x squared, and x divided minus 1, that is gonna be minus x. Number 3, we're gonna to subtract. So the negative sign will enter to the two terms that will be a different sign, and that it will be a different sign. So let's do it. X squared minus x squared, there is gonna be a 0, and minus 2x plus x, there is gonna be minus x. Okay, and if 1 plus nothing or plus 0, that is just only 1. What should I do here? We are gonna to repeat all of this step. We're gonna to repeat this. Okay, like as minus x divided by x, that is gonna be minus 1. Second step, we multiply minus 1 in two terms. Minus 1 times x, that is gonna be minus x, and then minus 1 times minus 1, that is gonna be a positive 1, and then we subtract all of these terms. Here I have a negative sign, that it will be change all of these signs. Minus x plus x, that is gonna be a 0. Positive 1 minus 1, that is gonna be a 0. So the remainder, it will be a 0. So we are finishing the problem, and the quotient is x minus 1. So x squared minus 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 1, it equals x minus 1. That is the result. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, let's take another example. Here I have the divisor, so put it outside here, and x squared plus x plus 20, write it inside. X squared plus 9x plus 20, that is the dividend, and here we write the quotient, and here we write the quotient. Don't forget, we have 3 steps. We're gonna to divide. Number 2, we're gonna to multiply. Number 3, we're gonna to subtract. So let's begin. Number 1, dividing x squared by x squared by x, that is gonna be a x, so write it up here in quotient. Okay, and then multiply x by x, and x times 5. X times x, that is gonna be x squared, and x times 5, that is gonna be a positive 5x. So we have to subtract a negative sign. A negative sign will change all of these signs. That is gonna be a negative, and that it will be a negative sign also. Okay, so subtract all of these terms. X squared, and here minus x squared, that is gonna be 0. Okay, and 9x minus 5x, that is gonna be plus 4x, and finally 20 plus nothing or 20 plus 0, that is gonna be just 20. Here we repeat all of these steps again, like as 4x divided by x, it will be plus 4 times x, that is gonna be 4x, and 4 times 5, that is gonna be a 20. Okay, and then finally subtract. It will be a negative sign, and it change all of these signs, and then subtract 4x minus 4x, that is gonna be 0, and 20 minus 20, that is gonna be 0. so the remainder is 0. Here we have remainder 0, so we are finishing the problem. So the result and the quotient is x plus 4. So x squared plus 20 divided by x plus 5, that is gonna be x plus 4. This is the result and the quotient. Okay. Finally, all my best wishes for you. It was Mahmoud Omar, math teacher. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.